What is up, guys? Today is the day that we start restoring this trailer back to its original glory at once upon a time. Unknown what year this trailer was made, but we are going to bring it back to that time. First, we're going to tackle the wiring issue. Check it out, guys. I got some parts in that I've received this week for the trailer. Let's look at it. So, what do we have here? We got some lovely stuff here. First and foremost, we have a... Hold on. Hey, you! Tiggs, what are you doing? You're making a lot of noise, buddy. Sit. Chill. Alright, back to the fun. We got this brake trailer wiring harness nonsense that came in with our LED brakes. It's got little side markers, came with a little tag bracket. So we have a few things here. So we're gonna use this wiring loom here to, ready? We're gonna use that wiring loom that we got to basically rewire the lights on the trailer. This whole thing, this was, I want to say 25 bucks. 25 bucks altogether, shipped to the house, so that's pretty good. Then we got the wheel here for the stand. We got this wheel. Hey, can you stop? I'm gonna put you in the corner if you don't stop. Sit down. Sit. Behave. Then we got this caster wheel here for the stand in the front. So hopefully now we can kind of move the trailer side to side if we need to, especially when I have to access the ramps. So we got this. This was like $12. And then obviously some of wiring tools and adapters and whatnot. So we have all that. We got some zip ties. We got some flex tubing so I can cover up the wiring once it's all done, make it look all nice and pretty. We got some heat shrink in the event that I do solder some of the wiring together. If not, I got some of these quick, I don't even know what they call these things, but these quick connect stuff. Everything we need here to get the job done. So now it's time to go to the trailer, jack the trailer up so I can get a good view of the underside of where the wiring is going to. I don't know if I have mentioned on the previous video, but all the wiring for the actual trailer brake system looks like it was redone, so we don't have to worry about that. But the lighting wiring is total crap on that trailer, so we're gonna address that today. It's the plan. Do the wiring, make sure all the wiring is ready to go, and then we'll move on to installing the new brake lights and the caster wheel. And then that will take care of our two biggest issues that we're having with the trailer. And then we can go on to painting the trailer, which I'm still trying to figure out which way to do. I don't know, I might use like some Rust-Oleum or something and go from there. So let's go outside, let's go work on this trailer. We'll be back in a second, alright guys? Hopefully the wind is not killing you guys today. It is a little windy under this, but yeah, so this is the mess we got down here. Pretty sure you guys saw it. Ow, I just stabbed myself somehow. Oh no, what happened? I clicked something, I feel like I did something. Ooh, does this even do anything? Oh, it does. It really does. Alright, so yeah. So we are under the trailer now. I have very nicely got two jack stands in the front. I got a jack stand over there, a jack stand over there. And I also have my manual jack back there, which is going to be where the light starts to get done. So I figure I'll put that over there, have a little more safetiness going on back there. But here, this is our mess here that we got going on. I don't know if you can see that, given our current lighting conditions. But let me see. So this right here is the main hub. So it comes from the big connector. There's a wire that goes around to where the connector is. It comes here and then it gets all opened up, and here is where all the magic happens. So our problem is gonna be that we can't see shit. There's nothing, can't see nothing here. You cannot see a damn thing. But what I'm gonna do is cut these zip ties. I'm gonna get everything loose, find my wires, which is basically, should only be 3 wires really, because you got the yellow one. Oh. Anyways, so you should have a yellow wire, a green wire here. Green wire is for your turn signal, right? The other one is for your marker lights, like your tail lamp, which is the brown one, is technically supposed to be your brake lights, your like your side lights, everything that's not a turn signal. Then you have your yellow, which is for your, I believe, your left hand turn signal. So brake lights, all your power lights, left hand turn signal. This one is your right hand turn signal, green one. And then there's this one here that I'm trying to figure out why this is here, because I did not see any wiring diagram where there's a 4th one in here. Usually, and this one is actually going to a side marker light, so that's a little weird. So we'll figure it out. Let's go over here and let's figure this nonsense out first. I'm gonna unbundle this, see what I got, and then I can make something happen. So stay tuned here. Little progress. So we've got all this here all done, all along here, all the way to, let's see, yeah, there we go, to past the first axle. Now I'm gonna move to the back so I can do the rest of it where the light is, and then see how much wire I need. I might have to go buy some wiring to get it to go all the way to the other side, the way this is wired up. So we'll see though. We're getting good progress here. I'm gonna get some tape, electrical tape, cover these connections up right here, this one and that one and the ones up here, and she'll be ready to go. Yeah, we're making good progress. So we're gonna check back. There we go. We're gonna check back when we're all done wired up. I'm not gonna test the wiring today. I do need to mount the lights still, so I'll do that tomorrow, and then I'll test the wiring to make sure. But I'm pretty confident in the work. I think we'll be fine. We'll follow the diagrams and everything, so I don't think we're gonna have an issue here. But yeah, let's finish this up. I still gotta do this on the other side. I'm gonna need a little bit more wiring for that, but we'll see. Let's see how much wiring I need first. Make a Home Depot trip to finish it up by the end of the day, and we'll be good to go, guys. All right, stay tuned. There you go. All right, guys, so this is gonna be a stopping point because South Florida right now, it's getting to that point where it's about to rain, unknown. For those of us who've been in Florida long enough know what I'm talking about, the afternoon showers. Everybody else, yeah, this is gonna be our stopping point. Right now you're looking at the area where the wiring harness goes towards the light outside here, where it's all broken. But up until there, we have everything nicely wire loomed, basically looking good, all the way to the connectors in the front. Also fed it going to the other side of the trailer here. Do need to get more wire loom. As you can see, I've kind of ran out of it, so I'm gonna go get some more now while Florida decides what to do with its rain. I've also got the new power wire going to the one brake light in the back. Just a standard brake light, not a turn signal. And then I do still need to make the connection here and install the new tail lights. So yeah. So yeah, so far not too bad. I'm definitely gonna leave it on the stand so I can just kind of finish this up when I get back. But I am gonna go make that run now. I've hung all the wires, the ends, in underneath the trailer so they don't get wet if it does rain. That way it doesn't mess up the connection somehow. But yeah, this is gonna be our stopping point, guys, till the next one. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll start filming a little bit again later today if it doesn't rain, or after it rains. I don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, just gotta finish it up real quick. Got the lights. That should be pretty easy to do, hopefully. Quick butt connectors, and then the ground, and that should be golden. And then look at this thing, LED bulbs. The new lights are all LED, so we don't have to worry about bulbs like that. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. The next video we'll finish it up. We'll hook up the truck to make sure that there is power going through all the lights on this trailer, and then we'll start coming up with ideas as far as what we're gonna do with this paint job, because it can look 100 times better if it had a nice paint job on it. So I'm gonna start doing some research on that, and then we'll see. Maybe we'll paint it throughout the week, give it a few coats, get some car covers for the cars out here, that way they're not getting a bunch of overspray on them, and go from there, guys. So I'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoy this video. Peace.